Bala AI is marketed as a chatbot and AI companion app designed to let users interact with custom personalities, play role play scenarios, and conversational AI. But is it really worth downloading? So, Bala AI offers a wide range of characters and roleplay options, making it fun for casual entertainment. The app is free to try, of course, available for App Store and Google Play with premium upgrades for advanced features. Users highlight its simple interface, creative flexibility, and engaging conversations. It's especially appealing if you're looking for a light-hearted AI companion. So, the bad, like any AI chat apps, Bala can feel repetitive or shallow after extended use. Some reviewers note that premium features are locked behind paywalls and privacy concerns exist since conversations are stored on their servers. It's not designed for professional or productive use, more for entertainment. It is worth it if you want casual fun or role play, not worth it if you want deep professional AI assistance or worry about data privacy. So Bala AI is legit for entertainment, but it's not a serious productivity tool.